Hello educators, welcome back to our ongoing series of Apple iMovie tutorials. In today's session, we are delving deeper into the world of iMovie to explore intermediate techniques that will elevate your students' video editing skills. I'm Ed, and I'm excited to be your guide once again. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid grasp of adding titles and text, enhancing with background music, recording voiceovers, and speeding up and slowing down clips that you can teach your students so they can create more engaging and dynamic videos. Adding titles and text to clips in iMovie serves in several important purposes. Text can provide essential context and information to the viewer. It can introduce a scene, identify locations, or provide explanations, making the content more understandable. Text can act as narration or subtitles, enhancing storytelling. It allows you to convey dialogue, inner thoughts, or background information that might not be evident from visuals alone. Text helps convey your message effectively, especially when you need to reinforce a point or highlight a key concept within the video. Well-designed text elements can add visual variety to your video, making it more engaging and dynamic. Text can clarify complex concepts or emphasize specific details, ensuring that your message is clear and impactful. Adding titles and text to clips in iMovie is a versatile tool that helps improve engagement, communication in your videos. It enhances your storytelling and ensures that your message reaches a broader audience effectively. First, I will introduce how to insert titles and text to a clip. Tap on the clip for the title or text, and the inspector at the bottom of the screen will appear. Tap the T icon. There are 13 title styles to choose from. When you choose a title style, title text here will appear on your video preview. To change font styles, tap the Font button in the inspector. There is a variety of fonts to choose from. To change the color of the text, tap the Color button in the inspector. You can select a color from the color grid or be very nuanced with your color choice using Spectrum or Slider, where you can enter the hex color code. If you tap on the More button, you can access more font style options, including having the text appear in the lower third of the screen. You can add or remove the shadow and change the capitalization of the text. To edit the text, tap the text in the video preview and then tap on Edit. Type in your text. To reposition the text, hold on the text and drag it to a new position. To resize the text, pinch the text to increase or decrease its size. If you want your title to appear for the full duration of your clip, tap on the More button and toggle the full clip duration on.